Hey everybody, my name is Mario Cruz. I'm the Ultratech training guy, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Ultra Dewatering Bag reusable model. Alright, so here we have it, the box. When you unbox it, you'll see we have the dewatering bag itself, which is this silver fabric, and then wrapped up inside of those are the ever important locking rods. So as far as form and function go, the reusable dewatering bag works just like the standard dewatering bag. The main difference being that this side of the bag, opposite end of the discharge portion, is open, so that you can, once your project is over, or if your bag is full and you need to empty it out, you can simply open this up, dump the contents out, and then put your locking rods back on, which I'll go over in a minute, and you're back in operation. This side is very similar to the standard dewatering bag. It does have this section right here where your discharge hose would go into, and then you either tie this off or use a pipe clamp, or a hose clamp I should say, to keep that secured. Alright, so here's the way the locking rods work. Yeah, I'm wearing flip-flops. So you have, can't really see my head. Let me try this. Wow, that's bright. So you have two components to the locking rods. You have this straight section, it is adjustable, and then this section, also adjustable, but it has these 90-degree bends on either end. So what you would do when you first get your bag, or if you've emptied it out and need to secure it again, you'll start with the straight section and just roll the bag around it a couple times. Then take this section over here with the 90-degree ends and slide those slots into there, and then also on this side. And that'll lock it in place, and you're good to go. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, you're probably thinking, why does he keep scratching his foot? And that's a reasonable question, but there's ants here. And so I hope you appreciate the suffering that I'm going through for this video. The second question that you're probably asking is, hey, what are these straps for? And that's a great question. These are lifting straps, so when you do empty the bag out, let's pretend that I hadn't forgotten to take those locking rods off and that was open. Then you would lift this up. More than likely you would be using some sort of machinery, a forklift or a backhoe or something. You would lift that up, and then the contents would spill out of the opening.